In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Now you can paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or to paste it later on using Clipboard, click on it here and tap on your text. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it, or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Now to delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the left, swipe it to the right, or hold it and tap on bin button. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!